Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check the firmware version on your Smart Tag ITAG03 made by RSH team. So if you want to check the firmware version, let's open up the Find My and select the AirTag. Now here let's scroll down until we are at the bottom, and right here we will have the firmware number. So if we want to copy it, what can we do? We can take a screenshot, and here we can click on it, select the text, and here copy the firmware. So here we can copy the firmware number, we can look it up as you guys can see, but it won't work perfectly because I only copied the number and not the firmware or anything else. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.